How to adjust video quality in Amazon Prime Video. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to adjust video quality in Amazon Prime Video. Now let's get started. Firstly, open the Amazon Prime Video application and make sure you are logged in. Now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the settings icon on the top right of your screen again. Under settings, tap on the first option, that is streaming and downloading, and then tap on the streaming quality option. You can see mine is set to good. To get a better quality, you can select the better or best option, and this is how you can adjust the video quality in Amazon Prime Video. Just keep in mind that the higher the streaming quality is, the more the data is going to be spent. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.